Switzerland. My name is Karima and welcome back to Keto Mountain. Today we are cooking with leeks. If you don't know what leeks are, they taste fantastic and will add more variety to your diet. I love this recipe. It's a pie for the whole family. Even your kids will love it. This is a 3-part recipe. You have the crust, the filling, and the sauce. Be aware, I don't microwave the mozzarella. I will put the recipe down below in the info box in English and in German. And if you have any question, just put it in the comment section. So, before we get started, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then let's go and do it.
For our dough, we will need 160 grams of almond flour, 300 grams of mozzarella, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 10 grams of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 60 grams of cream cheese, 1 egg, and 40 grams of flaxseed flour. In a food processor, shred your mozzarella very well and put it on the side. Let's put the dry ingredients together. I have here almond flour, flaxseed flour, baking powder, salt, garlic powder, and the oregano. Combine everything together. After that, you want to add your egg, cream cheese, and our mozzarella. No need to melt it. Mix for about 1 minute. Our dough is going to be a little soft, and that's what we need. Here I just make the parchment paper wet. It's make it easy to work with. I am taking my time and spreading the dough by hand very carefully. Make some holes in the dough to prevent the dough from expanding too much in the oven. Then bake for 15 minutes. When it's done, just set it on the side. Let's move to our filling. I have here 3 whole leeks that I will wash very carefully and cut into small pieces with the green part. At medium to high medium heat, saute your leeks for about 15 to 20 minutes. I am adding here about 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil. Then you want to stir it from time to time until it's done. When it's done, put it on the side and let's mix our sauce. We will need 100 ml heavy cream, 1 teaspoon salt, a little pepper, one egg, 1 teaspoon or a little bit more mustard, and just a pinch of nutmeg. Whisk everything well. Time to build our leg pie. On the crust, I am putting my sautéed leeks and the sauce. You want to distribute your sauce evenly. Time to bake. The oven still preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. It's going to take 20 minutes. Et voila! The leg pie is done. Believe me, it is so tasty and I love it. I could eat it every day. I hope you liked my recipe. Please give thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like that. In the meantime, stay healthy and guten Appetit!